Germany. Its economy is facing significant challenges. For several months, industrial production has been dropping. High energy prices, decreasing global demand, and competitors setting new standards are some of the main problems now. Brands like Volkswagen and Mercedes-Daimler became famous worldwide because of their excellent engineering, constant innovation, and high standards. But now, many Germans prefer Teslas over wagons, and Vaterland is behind China in battery production. Are we witnessing the decline of German dominance or merely a recalibration of its industrial might? Stay with us to see expert financial predictions for German businesses. The phrase China speed is catching the attention of German car magnates. This term, which shows China's quick rise in the electric car industry, highlights how the car industry is changing. Consider this. BYD, a Chinese electric car company, is now outselling Volkswagen in China, a scenario that was previously unthinkable. As for pure EVs, Volkswagen is significantly behind Chinese brands in China. Over time, such a scenario could also become a reality in Germany. Actually, Volkswagen had to cut production this summer because demand of their EVs was 30% less than expected. These changes, which many thought would never happen, show just how fast car industry is changing. And these changes aren't just symbolic. As Europe starts using more electric cars, Chinese companies with their advanced technology and huge production capabilities are ready to challenge the unbeatable German car industry. China's impressive rise from just another player to a leading force in the world market is worth noting. If we look back in history, Germany was once in China's place, offering cheaper products that improved over time. Today, the economic relationship between Germany and China has evolved into a compelling narrative. Their trade is worth a massive 245 billion euros. Beyond just a trade, they share investments and resources. Just look at what German companies are doing in China. Volkswagen has more than 40 factories.
1, 2, 3. Volkswagen.
Das Auto.
BAS announced a 10 billion euro investment in Guangdong, and other companies like Audi and BMW are also heavily invested. Yes, big German companies are investing a lot in China, but the balance of power is changing. For example, Mercedes recalls thousands of dangerous electric cars in China, and Audi turns to Chinese alliances for cutting-edge EV solutions. Meanwhile, the American company Tesla is making a bold entry into Germany with a huge factory near Berlin. Over the first half of 2023, Tesla surpassed Volkswagen in electric vehicle sales for the first time. And if the factory's expansion plans are approved, the site will become Germany's largest automotive plant, positioning itself ahead of Volkswagen's historic stronghold in Wolfsburg, which boasts a production capacity of 800,000 vehicles a year. And this is concerning. If foreign companies lead the German market, what happens to Germany's exports? See, exports are the lifeblood of the German economy. German businesses rely on producing competitive products for the export. Most of the top 30 German companies depend on factors that the German government's foreign policy directly affects. Big companies like Volkswagen and Siemens have always played a significant role in Germany's decisions, especially in areas like trade and energy. And these two pillars appear to be showing signs of strain. Germany's decision to avoid thermonuclear energy, which is different from France's choice, coupled with its diminishing energy ties with Russia, are undeniably impactful factors. With the absence of cheap energy, which is vital for industrial production, did Germany inadvertently set itself up for the industrial challenges it's currently facing? From the beginning of time, in periods of financial instability, everyone has sought the most secure way to store their money. Switzerland has proven that no matter what, Swiss banks will always keep your money safe. Switzerland is so confident in its banks that it even guarantees to return up to 100,000 Swiss francs to every client in the event of a bank collapse. People used to think that only the super rich could afford to have a Swiss bank account, and that the only way to open one was to fly to Switzerland on a private jet and meet in person with a bank manager. Well, that's not true, not anymore. Swiss bank Dukascopy offers its services to everyone. Not only can you easily open an account fully online, but it's also absolutely free. There's no monthly fee, no minimum deposit requirements. You can enjoy an IBAN in 23 currencies, plastic and virtual cards, one-click investments, saving accounts, blockchain operations, P2P exchanges, and many other features with your Dukascopy bank account. No matter where you are, if you have your ID card or passport with you, the entire process will take about 5 minutes. Simply scan this QR code or use the link in the description, fill out the form, and then make a video call with the bank operator or scan your document with the back of your phone if it's compatible. That's it! Your Swiss bank account will be active the same day. Moving on. Let's not forget the black mark in German automotive history: Dieselgate. With Merkel leading and the EU making stricter emission rules, German car makers decided to bet on diesel. But they soon realized they had a big problem. Instead of finding a solution, they tried to hide it. At the same time, competitors in the US, China, Japan, and South Korea were investing in electric and hybrid cars. Today, Asian companies dominate the battery market, with German companies nowhere to be seen. Did Germany's focus on diesel prevent them from seeing the future of cars? It's clear that the car industry is changing. The best part of German cars, their detailed engineering, might now be a disadvantage in the simpler electric car world. While Germany is known for its complex car parts, many of these aren't needed in electric cars. Volkswagen plans to invest in battery factories, but are they too late to a race others are already leading? This brings us to a big question. Is Germany, one of the world's top car makers, losing its top spot? And with the country close to an economic recession, what's next for this industrial giant? And now here's the awaited list of financial predictions for German industrial businesses as given by experts. Look closely, and always remember that all investments have risks. We're not giving financial advice here. Always make your own informed decisions. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.